Alright guys, this is The Evil Within. I've been wanting to play this game since summer. Figured I would record it. I haven't played any of this game before. I heard it's pretty great. I'm gonna adjust the brightness a little. Okay. I'm gonna adjust the, oh god, I wish I could speak. I'm gonna adjust the brightness a little bit higher so you guys can see some. Because I know that YouTube... Oh man. I know that YouTube makes everything a bit darker and kind of ruins video quality. It's difficult. Oh man, that's kind of the weak and fearful. Auto aiming enable. No, let's go for survival. Let's actually play this game. So I'm not a wimpy person that needs auto aim. Our computer crashes. Okay, never mind. Oh, this game looks great.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
All right.
I know you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a detour.
Sounds serious. Is it quiet?
Call one out just before I picked you up. You said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already on scene.
131, please advise.
He beats the ghost of that doctor who went schizo and chopped up all those patients.
Oh man.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Joseph, you think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
It looks like the nerdiest police officer. Or detective.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation?
That is a cool ass name.
184, be advised. Some problem with Shimoda's son and Beacon Memorial.
Is there any...
God damn it! Jesus!
Don't die already. You guys see the little tango logo in the billboard?
Junior Detective Kidman. Any thoughts?
Nothing yet. I'm sure we'll know everything as we get there.
Oh man, she has purple eyes. That's awesome. I think get that many cars in there that actually open the gates all the way.
What do you make of it?
Connolly, contact dispatch and let them know what's happening. Joseph, Kidman, you're with me. We're gonna have a look around.
Right.
These people do not look bothered by this rain whatsoever. It does something weird on my jacket. Oh, I can move. Don't mind me. I feel like I'm gonna die so fast. It's not even funny. Oh, and we're also gonna set a timer. Grab some clocks. Actually, one of those egg timers. Ooh.
It smells like blood.
Alright, stay sharp. We're gonna check it out. Don't let anyone else through this door.
I can be an extra set of eyes.
We don't know what's happening here. You're a backup.
Yeah, I think it smells like blood for a reason. Oh, that's nice.
Did you hear something?
Maybe. Oh man. Wow, how'd you get a newspaper underneath that? Where'd you go? Why is the camera so zoomed in? Oh, in there. Wait. There's something on that desk, I think.
Are you injured? What happened here?
Can't be real. Impossible. Ruvik is
I've got it. Security cameras might tell us something.
That's good coffee. It looks like blood. Oh man.
What the hell?
Well, there's a really short version of Slenderman. Or not. Just some really cut up guy. Oh, you're dead. We died already. How did I know we were gonna die this fast? Some music playing. Oh wait, we're not dead. We just got stabbed in the back. It's a lot less blood than there should be probably for getting stabbed in the back by whatever killed those guys instantly. Who is that? Oh, that doesn't look healthy. That guy needs a bit of help there. Can't really. Come on. What can I see? I have to move my mouse everywhere right now. What should I be looking at? This guy? Maybe. Where'd he go? Hello? Is that him? No, that's a meat hook. Oh, there he is. Maybe. Oh, I don't think complimenting is gonna help. Press space repeatedly. Come on, just grab the knife. Grab the knife. There you go. Now, cut yourself loose. Man, that is a sharp knife. Cut through that thick of a rope that fast? Oh no. Please tell me you didn't break a rib or something. Oh, you might want to, Oh, okay, so that is crouch. Oh, you have to hold it down. Yeah, we might want to just leave. You know, seems like a nice guy until he started chopping up everything. Looked like a murderer. Was there just half a body hanger from that hook that he took? Oh no, there's the other half. Wait, was that our partner? Were those police pants? I hope that wasn't our partner. Please tell me I don't. Please no. This guy has a good taste in music, I guess. We just accept the compliment. These people don't care what touches them, apparently. Wait, pick up what? Ordinary keys. How do we know this is the basement of a mental hospital? No! Please don't touch me, okay? I don't want you to touch me. Is this what it's like being inside a mental hospital? Oh, I knew this door would open. Do I have to? Oh, that door is way too loud. I need some oil. Let's just keep on sneaking. I think I'm just gonna sneak through this entire game. Oh, I don't know. I didn't know. I don't like this room up here. Wait. Where'd he go? Where did that guy go? What is that thing? It's a blob thing. Oh! That scared the crap out of me. Guy, just run. Just run. Oh my god, you better run. Guy, keep on running. Just don't look behind you. Everything's fine. Don't trip. Mind the cement blocks. Oh, you probably have a disease now. Judging what that guy uses his tools for. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, of course. Oh, that guy is dead. Get through, get through, get through. Oh, that is wonderful. Yeah, you have a disease now for sure. Oh, I'm hitting everything. Except for those spike things. Oh, now you... Well, if he didn't have a disease before, he does now. That's not healthy. Yeah, we're just gonna take a bath here. You might want to get out of the pool. Your leg. Well, you got hit by a chainsaw. I don't even think I need to know what it looks like. Do we not have a flashlight on us or something? Can I just... Oh, okay. Well, at least it didn't chop your leg off. Is there anything in this crate? No. Can this guy run? No, this is as fast as he goes. Then again, you got sliced in the thigh by a chainsaw. Don't really blame you. Yeah, just keep on going. Man, if this guy didn't already have a disease, he definitely has one now. That is a really... Is that copper piping? Because it's blue. No entry. Yeah. Please don't die. Okay. I was kind of thinking there'd be something worse in here, other than a chair. Can I just go back to arriving in that car? Hey.
Where's the exit?
I thought that corpse spoke to me. Game, why do you do that? An old note from the sewer. Beside the locked gate at the far end of the sewer, there's a ladder which would take you to the old ward. If you can make it through there, you could find an elevator leading outside. You would be the only one who escaped. You might be the one who survived. R. Well, he's in a wheelchair, and I don't think he can climb very well. Aha! A door. I kinda just forgot everything that note told me. Whatever. There's a ladder somewhere I have to go to. Nope. You're not allowed. Man, they... Oh, yeah, they double chain padded it. They double lock padded that one. Oh, there's a ladder. Oh, that guy was so close. Then he probably got hit in the face by a chainsaw. Wait, how do you get his wheelchair down here? That's probably not an important question to be asking right now, but how did that guy get a wheelchair down here? Man, this guy. I feel like I'm gonna get my head sliced off by a chainsaw as soon as I finish this. Hey, I didn't die. The controls in this game. It's like trying to fly a helicopter unturned. Oh, this is a lot of things. Oh, okay. I guess I just won't read that then. How do I I didn't mean to... Well, I didn't mean to do that. Why is there a computer down here? I didn't mean to do that, but, you know, I guess I just won't read that probably important note. Oh, what's falling from the ceiling? We're in a sewer. That's probably what's falling from the ceiling. So it was yellow. What is that? That's a big bottle. Is that a bottle too? That's a trash can. It's the shiniest thing in this game, probably. Yeah, okay, that's another trash can. Oh, that was scary. Oh, I'm supposed to be moving still. Oh, just hide in the locker! Nothing ever happened. He sounds close. Please don't open. Please no. Come on, you can do it. I'm not touching anything till this guy leaves. Afraid I'm accidentally gonna step out of the locker. That's right, use your gas. Oh man, that box is gone. And he's through the door. I don't want to get out. I'll just stay here for the rest of the game. Or not. Alright, I'm just gonna leave. Where did he go? Is he in here? He is in there! Okay, he's blind, so it doesn't matter.
Shit. Can't let him see me.
Yeah, let's not let him see us. Ah! Oh no! Please don't let him see you! Oh, okay, never mind. You let him see you. Look what you did. That scared me a lot more than it should have. I saw that coming. Then, you know, he kind of just appeared. Oh, enemies can be distracted by throwing bottles. That would be good to know. Let's just hide back in here. I don't trust this guy. Well, for obvious reasons. My question is there a way to, you know, like, you know, not be so close to the character? Oh, he's walking this way again. Don't worry. Yeah. Oh wait, never mind. He didn't get sliced in the thigh. I feel like he's close. Come on. I hope he walks back through this door and just never comes back. I hope I never have to see this guy again. Where are you? I feel like you could smell this guy from a mile away. Then again. Oh, there he is. Okay, I'm just gonna... You don't see me, okay? Don't notice the set of hair that's poking through the top right there.
Can't let him see me.
Oh no, let's just not be in that room anymore. That room would more than likely not be good for my person's health. Just, hide back in here. Just never come back out again. Oh, why, guy? Please don't do this to me. It got dark. Oh, why? Oh. I would have thought that would have worked. Then again, I guess he's not blind, sadly. Well. This guy weren't so freaking limpy. What happens if I just charge this guy while sneaking? Aha! Found a bottle. Here. Guy, please take a drink. Please accept my peace offering to not try and kill me. How do I throw this? That's not what I meant to do. Oh. I have no clue where this guy went. This guy has super shiny ice buckles all over his body. Let's just, you know, let's just, you can head straight over there for that window. Let's run away from the chainsaw man. Let's never come back to this mental institution. Ever again, please. Can I throw that? Aha. Bottles are my best defense right now. Is there another one? I hope there isn't. Oh, he's right there! Go in that room, please. Patient over there? Yeah, the patient over there needs you, sir. He's the doctor now. He's a doctor. I'm not gonna question him. That's his tool of choice. Probably a butcher. Oh, this room is nice and bright. And he stopped yelling. Feel like... Oh, am I bleeding? I am bleeding. You might want to fix this with all this medical gear that's in here. Oh, there's physics. Aha. Oh, my arm. Oh, why do you do this to me? Come on, if you believe you can do it. Just, jump that gurney. Do it. Why are we in the 1920s mental hospital? Guy, it doesn't matter. Guy, it doesn't matter. Oh, it's a good thing that's an automatically closing door. That's right, wear out the chainsaw blade. That chainsaw got really quiet, really fast there. This first episode is just gonna be me dying. Oh, he spit out blood. This guy, if he doesn't bleed out. What was that? It was just the intro? I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to play the rest of this game. Why did I choose to play this game? It's like the worst choice I could have made. Is this music copyrighted? I'm probably gonna have to just mute this entire part of the video. Oh, those things are on fire. Oh, now they're all three on fire. I hope I don't have to mute this part of the video. Hey, I learned how to edit. So that's fun. Editing kind of sucks, so it takes forever. I'm not very good at it, but it works. So, I think I'm just going to use 20-minute episodes. Hey, look, there's more dead people. They're not as dead as the people I saw down there. Oh god, they're dead. Is my guy's leg fixed? And then it turns out, it was all a dream. Yeah, you might want to keep on running. I tripped over that body. Never stop. That door was really heavy. You know what? Who needs partners anyway? He's probably dead anyway. Shadow Stalker guy probably killed him. Who needs people anyway? Oh, there's an ambulance here. I think my guy needs mental help. Oh my god, never mind, the city needs more help than anything. This guy. Oh, I didn't even notice that guy until he disappeared.
Sorry, but you never came out. I waited, but please settle down, Leslie.
Well, there's the end of this episode. I'll just start the next one. I'll finish this one whenever we finish this cutscene. Oh, there's a building. San Andreas, all over again. Is that the name of that movie? That is the most professional driver I've ever seen. Like, who needs stunt drivers when you have this guy? Only talking because they're not. I'm just gonna stop talking during cutscenes, actually. What the?
Shit.
Yeah. The entire city's in half. Okay, no worries. This guy's the best driver ever, apparently. Just don't mind anything that happened here. You know, it's totally normal, everyday life in this city. Yep. Look outside and smell the ashes. Or corpses, probably. Oh, she looks like she's dead.
Damn it. How are we cut off from everyone?
Everyone must be dead.
That's reassuring.
Everyone all right back there?
Just a few bumps. We're fine.
We will be once we're far away.
A little further and we'll be fine.
I don't trust that lady back there. The one that's completely mental. Oh, our driver's dead. He's a zombie. What? Am I supposed to understand this? Well, I guess that's the end of this episode then. Well, I'm definitely going to be playing more of this game. Thank you for watching.